good morning, good morning. And it is a glorious Monday morning. I am out on the VTR. I've got a rare, beautifully weathered day off work today. The reason for that is my daughter has gone for her CBT, so by the time this comes out, she'll have already taken it. I hope everything's okay and she'll be enjoying the freedom on the road. So I've got a little question to ask you. Look at that, how glorious is that? That's just beautiful out there. I've got a question to ask you. When I edit my videos and I upload them, I am done with them. I don't watch them through YouTube's. They're just up there as a video diary, like I mentioned previously. Now, I don't know what the quality's like, so I'm now shooting on the new Gopro11 Black in glorious 5K apparently, which probably means that YouTube's bitrate algorithm type doobery firkin will completely mess it all up and make it look awful, like it's been filmed on a Nokia 8210. So can you let me know whether you can see an improvement in the quality, whether the images look okay, whether the frame rate is okay, which I'm shooting in 60 FPS I think, and whether it's okay, whether everything looks good, the colours look right, because I don't like watching my own stuff back. I don't like the sound of my own voice, and I'm very critical of things that I do. So it'll just be interesting to get you know, an actual perspective, ask the question. You know, in a moment we're going to be off this road and we're going to be on to Western Seafront, which is nice and bright and lovely and shiny, so you might actually get a better what am I trying to say? A better way to judge the visual, should we say? Because right now we're just under a bit of clouds, we're in the shadow from the sun and tree cover and all the things that go with it. So what are we doing today? Well, I'm going for a ride. I'm going to do this now. I'm going to pop to Mar and Pars to make sure they're okay. And then from Mar and Pars, I'm going to take a trip up to Cheddar, which may be a separate video, depending how long I waffle on for in this one. Because that might be something that I need to split them up about. A bit more time. Wow, look at that. The old pier. Amazing. No, I didn't really say that. I'm not living in the 90s. If you're wondering what this is on the front, it's actually for refueling while I ride, so I don't need to stop anymore. It's a great idea. I took it from aircraft, refueling aircraft and fighter jets, and I think it will save me time when I'm out and about. No, actually it's obviously not that. It is a Insta360, I say a selfie stick, but I'm worried it's going to be a wobbly stick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the 360 to it when I go up through Cheddar and see if I can get some better footage than I have done previously with a 360 spinny wheelie washing machine-y type thing, which hopefully I don't do. I made a video about it which should be out, or should have been out last week actually, if everything goes to plan, saying that I try and avoid that with the edits, keep it nice and smooth and steady. Smooth and steady wins the race apparently. Right, so what are the visuals like? Is it clear? Is it sharp? Is it shiny? Is it colourful? I don't do any colour correction on my videos. They are edited, rendered through the app that I use, and then it's uploaded. So you basically, what you see is what you get. So I wanted to know what your thoughts were on the quality. Good day, sir. Now, because it's a Monday, I'm kind of hoping that the Cheddar Gorge Road will be a little bit quieter. It's not school holidays. It's just a random Monday at the end of March. Go on, sir, you carry on. We're in a good mood because it's a beautiful day. So yeah, I want to see what the roads are like up there. Might have an opportunity to enjoy a good ride through, maybe get some pace up at the top of Cheddar on the main roads, and also visit the Cheddar Motovlog board, as I have some spectacular stickers to add to it. So here we go, look at this, Western-super-Mare, as the all-year motorcyclist would say, splendid. I think he says splendid. He says a lot of good things. Gorgeous, splendid, wonderful. I do enjoy watching his videos. They're very upbeat all the time, and I don't know how he does it. I've got to say, right, today it's Monday, 11 o'clock Monday morning. I've dropped my daughter off at the CBT centre. I've driven back. I've gone in the house, done a couple of little jobs that I needed to do. I've got a little WYSIWYG flying around in my helmet. Let me just open my... I don't know, it must be outside the helmet. I've got back, I've done a couple of little jobs around the house. I've put the TV on, quick check on YouTube's to find that the all-year motorcyclist has recorded, edited and uploaded a video all in the time it's taken me to get my arse into gear and actually get dressed ready for going out. Right, I'm going to have to open this visor because there is something in here. Get out. So, I mean, how marvellous is that? I don't know how he does it. It takes me weeks to get stuff sorted. I'm so unorganised with stuff like editing. Oh, lovely smell around here. Someone's having a very happy day. I have to be careful I don't get checked by the police at some point, because I suspect with the passive smoke I'm taking in now, it'll be a little bit exceptional on the limits. Anyway, yeah, so he is awesome. You've got to watch him. I mean, he's just, if nothing else, just watch him for his memory. He claimed in his most recent video that he doesn't have a very good memory, but he remembers everything about everyone that sent him a picture or video or message, and he recalls it all on the next video. It's marvellous. Right, so I am getting close to Mar and Pars now. They don't live very far from the seafront, which is wonderful and great for them. I'm going to pop in, say hello, and then what I'll probably do is catch up with you next week for the next episode of Western Super Motovlogs as we come into the summer or spring and summer months. But I'll say bye now, and I'll catch you on the flip side.